Hi friends, today I would like to share with you my experience of using Cadence Bank. Cadence Bank is a large regional bank that operates in the United States and offers services to private customers, small and medium-sized businesses. It provides a full range of banking services including current and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, investment products, and business services. Let's start with pricing. Cadence Bank offers free current accounts for individuals if you maintain a minimum balance of $100. If the balance is lower, the fee is $10 per month. For businesses, rates vary by account type, but on average, fees start at $15 per month. One of the perks of Cadence Bank is its wide selection of loan products. Now about the minuses. Some customers note that the bank's mobile application does not always work stably, and the interface can seem outdated. Also, if you live outside the regions where Cadence Bank is represented, access to branches may be limited. Pros of Cadence Bank: wide selection of banking products, competitive interest rates on loans, free current accounts with a minimum balance. Cadence Bank's cons: limited number of branches, mobile app needs improvements, fees for businesses may be higher than some competitors. So, Cadence Bank is a solid choice for those looking for a regional bank with a wide range of services. However, if you value modern technology and convenience, its cons are worth considering. If you liked this review, put a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.